Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Neha and I live in Germany. So I guess you got the idea from the title of the video that this video is going to be about city registration in Germany, that is called the Anmeldung in German. So I'm going to cover topics like what Anmeldung is, when to do Anmeldung, and what are the documents required for doing the Anmeldung, and a step-by-step procedure. I'm going to explain everything in this video, and this video is going to be very short and informative. So if you're coming from India or anywhere else like outside of Germany, please do watch this video till the end. It is going to be very useful for you. So yeah, let's start the video. So the very first question is what Anmeldung is. So Anmeldung is the registration of your current address in Germany. So basically it is a legal requirement that you have to follow once you arrive in Germany, and it is like you have to go to your local Bürgeramt, like the Bürgeramt in the city, that is also called the registration office of the city. You have to check for it and go there and register yourself, register your address actually, and let the government of Germany know that you are staying at this place. And after registering at the Bürgeramt, you will get one document, Meldebescheinigung, which is like the proof of your address in Germany. So the most important question, why Anmeldung is so important. So Anmeldung document is very important because you will require the proof of your address for almost everything, like whether it's opening a bank account, health insurance, or SIM card, or the most important one is like tax ID, which is important for doing jobs here, whether it's part-time or full-time. So you will require tax ID for that, and when you will do Anmeldung, you will get your tax ID. So yeah, Anmeldung is very important. It's kind of first official steps to settle in Germany. So you have to get your Anmeldung done once you arrive in Germany. So the next question is when to do the Anmeldung. So you have to do the Anmeldung once you arrive in Germany, like within 14 days of moving into apartment, you have to do the Anmeldung. तो अगर आप किसी टेम्प्रेरी एड्रेस जैसे कि होटल या किसी हॉस्टल में स्टे कर रहे हैं, तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू सर्च फॉर योर परमानेंट एड्रेस एंड मूव देयर क्विकली एंड डू द अनमेल्डिंग प्रोसेस फॉर दैट एड्रेस. लेकिन अगर आप किसी टेम्प्रेरी एड्रेस पे बहुत दिन तक रह रहे हैं, जैसे कि 1 महीने से ज़्यादा, तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू डू द अनमेल्डिंग प्रोसेस फॉर दैट टेम्प्रेरी एड्रेस एज वेल. उसके बाद जब आप अपने नए अपार्टमेंट, यानी कि अगर अपने परमानेंट अपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट करेंगे, तो आप फिर से अपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हैं उस नए एड्रेस के लिए, जो कि आपका परमानेंट एड्रेस होगा. तो आप जितनी बार भी मूव करते हैं किसी नए अपार्टमेंट में, उसके विद इन 14 डेज यू हैव टू डू द अनमेल्डिंग प्रोसेस. सो इट्स बेटर कि जैसे ही आप जर्मनी में आए, तो you should book an appointment for Anmeldung and get your Anmeldung done on time. So the documents which you will require when you are going to your city's Bürgeramt, that is city registration office, is your passport, which is like necessary for almost everything. So keep your passport with yourself. So passport, and the second is like visa or the residence permit if you already have the residence permit, otherwise the visa. And the third and the most important is Wohnungsgeber Bestätigung, that is the confirmation from your landlord that you are staying at the at this address. So that is called the Wohnungsgeber Bestätigung, that in German. You will need that, and this is very important document. Please ask your landlord to give you this document before you go for the Anmeldung. And the fourth one is like the registration form, which you can easily get on the city's website. And the fifth one is, and the very optional one is your rental contract. In my case, they didn't ask for the rental contract, but for the safer side, just keep it with you once you go to the city registration office. So just keep it with yourself. So these are the documents which you will require. I will just repeat all of them once again. The passport, visa, your confirmation letter from your landlord, that is Wohnungsgeber Bestätigung, and the fourth one is the registration form, and the fifth one is the optional one is your rental contract. So these are the documents which you will require. So please make sure to keep all these documents a day before going to the city registration office. So let's go step by step in the procedure. So the first thing which you have to do is search for the Bugerams in your city, that is city registration office of your city. So just Google your city name and the Bugerams. So you will get the list of all the Bugerams in your cities. A city have multiple Bugerams. In my case, I had 2 Bugerams in my city because my city is kind of small. So just make the appointment at any Bugeram जिसमें भी नियरेस्ट की डेट दिखा रही हो अपॉइंटमेंट की, तो वहाँ पे आप अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकते हैं. सो मेक एन ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट एंड गो टू योर अपॉइंटमेंट विथ ऑल योर डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी, एंड वंस you will go there, they will register you and give you the Anmeldung immediately or after few days at your address. तो और कई cities में ऐसा भी होता है, they will allow you walk-ins, but for the safer side just book the appointment and then go. और कुछ केसेस में ऐसा होता है कि आपको अपॉइंटमेंट लेते समय बहुत दिन बाद की डेट मिलेगी, तो उस केस में आप जो भी नियरेस्ट डेट हो, जिस भी ब्यूगराम में सबसे नियरेस्ट डेट हो, वो बुक करके आप नेक्स्ट डे विथ ऑल योर डॉक्यूमेंट जस्ट गो टू द सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस, दे विल रजिस्टर यू. अगर वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आप जो भी आपकी डेट है उस पर जा सकते हैं. So I guess I have mentioned everything which is required for doing the Anmeldung in Germany. Some important things which I want to tell you in the last of the video is like you should ask for the Wohnungsgeberbestätigung from your landlord, that is the confirmation letter that you are staying at this place. Once you arrive here on the first day, you should ask from your landlord for this letter, because without this confirmation letter the Anmeldung process is not possible. The second thing is like you should keep multiple copies of Meldebescheinigung, that is proof of your address which you will receive once you will do the Anmeldung. You should keep the multiple copies of that document because you will need it for a lot of things after you arrive here. And the third thing is like आप जितनी बार एड्रेस चेंज करते हो, you have to do the Anmeldung again and again for the new address. So these are the things which I want to mention in the last of the video. So yeah, this is the end of the video, and I hope I made it clear how to do the Anmeldung and what are the procedure you have to follow once you arrive in Germany. I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. So मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए टाटा, bye bye.